Oh, hello everyone. So, still waiting for the parts for the Rex. But in the meantime, my partner's car, the Fiat, also failed its MOT. And it failed on the front lower arms, and the disc brakes were corroded apparently. So, because I do need a car and I'm using this one, she's being graciously enough lending me her car. Um, I need to do something about it. So this we're gonna be tackling. We're gonna prep the work. Um, I was quoted 890 pounds, 900 and something odd dollars for the work to be done here, um, and I got the parts for 150. So let's see if we can save some proper cash on this one. When it comes down to the Fiat, um, to take the lower arms, just point this out. To take the lower arms, you actually have to take the front bumper off, and that's why labor was supposed to be so expensive. It should be pretty straightforward, but either way, sit around and watch me either do this very easily or struggle a lot. Always get one of these adapters, these rubber pucks that have the little slot on it, because otherwise you end up ruining the seal, and then you get rust, and then you get the whole RX-8 situation again. Okay, so it was an absolute bitch to take this off, only because of a screw that is here that gets covered by this tab. So when this is all closed, it doesn't allow the screw to go all the way down. It just becomes a problem. Right, now what we need to do is, let me just get some light. So we need to take this bar, which will entail on removing these screws here, 1, 2, there's another 2 here on both sides. This comes off, and then that comes off. I'll unscrew this one, or maybe this one to take this off. I'll just rotate it to the side. And then to screw one of these at the bottom, and this will allow for this piece to come out. And by this piece coming out, I can actually access the screw to remove the arm, which is inside this area here. So let's get to it. Okay, so as expected, my camera died while I was doing the work, but the concept is pretty straightforward. So you take these screws out, so these 4 screws plus this little one here, and then here on the inside you take this one and another one over here and this one on the side, and this entire bar comes out, that bar over there. Once that comes out, you can actually access the screw, which is right here inside, that connects to the arm. And then after that, you do the same on this side, take the screw from this arm, and then you undo, where is it? You undo this nut here, and then you unscrew this to take it out, and that it will allow you to push this part of the arm down, and then you can just take it off. So yeah, let's see if I can do this with a nice camera angle for you guys. Now that everything is off, what we're gonna do is walk over here, and here is our pretty new arm, little cap here. This comes out, there's your new ball joint, so we just have to grab this and put it back into the car. So let's get to it. Okay, now before I hammer everything back into place, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bolts out and I'm going to put some thread locker on them, because I really don't want these things to come off. So these are, I believe, 17 in size. I think so. No. 18. Yeah. Okay, so before I put this arm on, I'm just gonna get my what's the name of it? Torque wrench, and torque them to spec. Okay, so according to the manual, it's 80 foot-pounds of torque. So start with the bottom one. Let's see what I'm doing. If you guys don't have a lift, be ready to roll on the floor a lot. One down. Well, this one's going to be interesting. There you go. 80 foot-pounds of torque. Okay, now the most important one for here is the pinch bolt. It's very rusty, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clean it very quickly, and then I'm gonna put it on. Anyway guys, that's all what I have for you guys today. So don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, let me know your thoughts, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.